fleece. It's a rainy old day here in Cornwall. Yeah, but I'm in the greenhouse. I'm just admiring all my amazing plants. I've got sweet peas. Uh, what else have I got? Poppies. Got all sorts waiting to make me some beautiful borders. Let's see. Sweet peas are okay. I'll get some more sweet peas. Lots of hollyhocks. And I haven't taken my teepees down because, it's possible to get some frost. Now, if we do, I'll quickly cover them with the fleece. So I haven't actually taken them down, but I'm hoping I won't need them. So we've got the hollyhocks, lots and lots of hollyhocks. Now this year, what I'm going to do, I'm going to plant them all together, a lot together, like about, oh, I don't know, 6 or 7 together, so that they form a nice big clump, rather than just, one or two sticking up here and there. I want clumps of them this year because they've been so successful. I've got a lot here that I haven't, put into pots yet. So I will have quite a few. Lots of poppies and some of those lovely deep red poppies, the perennial poppies I've got going here. So I'll just keep potting those up. There's a beauty, Aeonium. Look at that, it's quite big that is. Snapdragons and antirrhinums. Quite a lot of those. I'm cutting back the geraniums and taking lots of cuttings from them, because if you don't, they get just very, very leggy, What else? I've made some space here for my seedling trays that I'm gonna do. It's mid-February. Well, it's almost at the end of February, so I think I can get away with that, don't you? So I've made some space. I'm gonna do those indoors, I think, because I'm running out of room here. Love the ghost plant. It's got lots of cuttings. It's a lovely, healthy one. Now, my sister doesn't like them when they go like this, but I actually love them. So, just shows you, doesn't it? I love them when they've got big, long, branches. Yeah, I do. I love them. So, yeah, I am so looking forward to the spring. Well, we actually are in spring at the moment. We are definitely in spring. Look, they actually get flowers on them. See that? It's amazing. I'll see what they're like. I don't think I've ever had flowers on them before. I can't remember having on the ghost plants. Anyway, let's see if there's flowers on this one. No, I'm not seeing flowers on there. No, I'm not seeing flowers on that one. There's flowers on this one. Whoops, a daisy. Yeah, anyways, so there we are. So, let me get outside again. So I'm really, really pleased with the plants that we haven't had I don't think we've even, yeah, we have had a couple of days of frost, but nothing really to speak of. But anyway, let's go indoors and set these seeds. So I've got the seeds all set out nicely. I've been wanting to do this for ages. I think I'm pretty safe as far as frost goes and things like that. So, what else have I been up to? Oh, I've done the greenhouse. I went in early this morning and finished off underneath the benches. So all the pots are all sort of nice and neat. Yeah, so I'm glad I did this. I've been wanting to do that. What's the other thing that I've done? Let's have a look. Oh, I went in the greenhouse and I sorted out all the benches. It's so nice in there. And I like the plants in like all the hollyhocks together and all the poppies together and things like that, geraniums. And it's not because I'm OCD or anything, but it's then I can visually see what I've got, in terms of what I've got to put in various beds and how many I can put together and that kind of thing. So I went in there early this morning as well, and I sorted out all the underneath the benches, which is when you walk in, that's a scrambled mess that sort of, catches your eye and doesn't look very good. And that greenhouse is it's like a little sanctuary to me. I like to go, especially when it's warm, the sun's been on it. And what was it yesterday? 78 in there. It was absolutely gorgeous. And I don't know about you, but I love the smell of a greenhouse. They have a certain aura, a certain smell. Yeah, but anyway, so what did we do yesterday? Oh, yeah, I want to tell you about, totally off topic, but I had an old laptop and it had it was really old. It broke in 2012 and I don't know how long I'd had it. And there was all gorgeous garden pictures on it, and plants and greenhouse and things like that. And I never thought that I'd be able, it was broken totally. I never thought that I'd be able to get it, get the data off it. But of course, my husband, he's IT guy, he's retired obviously, but when he was working, he was IT director for a drug rehabilitation, a rehab thing in America. And he was in charge of the IT department. And anyway, so he had to go at it and he got all the data off it. Isn't that amazing? And it was a one-off thing. He said he was scared it booted up the computer, which was amazing. And he got the data off it somehow or another. I don't know how he did it, but he did. And I've got all these gorgeous pictures that I'm going to be able to use in my vlogs of greenhouse and plants and all sorts of things, cats that we've had in the, ages ago. And yeah, so I was pleased about that. Speaking of cats, we got a new cat toy, and I'll show you a little clip of it as well. It's an amazing thing. You charge it. It's a USB charge. So, you don't have to keep putting batteries in it. And it's like a ball and it lights up and it shoots around and it's got a big long tail on it. So I'll show you a little video. It's got a big long tail on it. And I'm telling you, so my husband got it online and I think it came from, I'm not sure. It might not come from China. But anyway, he got it online. And we were thinking, another thing that the cat is not going to like. He loves it. That's Buddy Bongo, the baddest cat in town. And he really is bad. But anyway, so yeah, we've got this toy and it's good because in the winter, I know we noticed in the winter, he hardly moved from the couch. He was, he just ate and went outside to do his what's-its and came straight back and got on the couch and sleep. And we noticed it, but it's just a winter thing. They almost go into, he does, almost like a little hibernation period. Anyway, thank God now he's out and about, and he's so anyway, getting back to that. So we got this toy thinking that it'll give him a bit of exercise. And yeah, he absolutely loves it, chases it around, and and it's pretty good really, because it goes under furniture and things, but it usually manages to get its way out of it. So that's that. So pleased about that. So I'm pleased in general about everything. I'm very, very pleased because it's spring basically, and the light is just gorgeous. I mean, the light is very special here in Cornwall, and it's even, it's great when I'm doing paintings and stuff. It's a special kind of light, they call it. Of course, Cornwall is special. I mean, for a start off, our temperature is milder. Plants are in bloom weeks before they are up country. And we're on the Gulf Airstream, so that's the reason why. And you can grow semi-tropical plants here in Cornwall. So I think that's all I've got for you today. Yeah, a bit of countryside calm just for today, a bit of countryside chat. Hope you enjoyed it. And I've got these little beauties to take up to my greenhouse now. I've made room for them, so, so that's good. So I'll dampen them down, and I'll let you know the progress of those. And tomorrow's job, or even today, is I'm starting on the courtyard. So I start by cleaning the slabs, taking all the plants away and putting them on the table and repotting them, or assessing them anyway. So I'll let you know how that goes as well. So I hope you've had a wonderful, wonderful week. Hang on, weekend. It's only Monday. Hope you've had a lovely weekend, and I hope you've got some of your lovely gardening done. And yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, it would be lovely if you haven't subscribed to subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out because I'm trying to grow the channel, and also it'll help you be know when I'm putting another video out, especially if you press that notification bell. It'll alert you to when I put a video out. So anyway, so with that, I'll say bye for now, and as always, love from the land of mist and legend. See you next time.